Right, people, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Shanwar here from Exploration. In today's episode, you got to absolutely love it. We're going to make some egg and mayo salad. Join me, and remember, if it's your first time here, please remember to press that subscribe button, give the video a like, and do all the YouTube stuff. Thank you. Okay, let's get on with today. So I'm going to try this again. Hope my audio is clear. So we have 3 boiled eggs here, which is what I'm starting off with. Nice. I like my heads nice and hard. And then, secondly, we're going to strip these eggs. Yeah, as you can see here. Nice. I took off all the shells, and those eggs are looking amazing. All right, good. So now for the third steps in the process, people, where I am going to cut these eggs up, as you can see me doing now. So I'm just cutting the eggs into large chunks, as you can see. Right, let's speed this up a little bit. Chop, 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 chop away. And right, so the eggs are now finished cut, and my daughter is here to check out what I'm doing, which is always nice. As you can see, Daddy making another delicious recipe. I'm adding my mayonnaise to the eggs, which is the next step. Once your eggs are cut up to a portion that you like, nice. Add the mayo. Great. So I think that's more than enough mayo now added. My daughter seemed to agree. And next step coming up. Right, people. So the next step is going to be to add this Dijon mustard that you can see my daughter playing around with just right here. Good. Any good brand of Dijon mustard will do. So I'm just going to give it about 2 to 3 little teaspoonful of mustard. Just put in those teaspoonful of mustard in. Any second go. There you go. Actually, one is gonna be enough, I think, because mustard have a nice pepper taste, but you can put in as you desire. So I'm doing my favorite thing, giving that mixture a nice stir around nicely. I'm also smashing some of the eggs in, as you can see, and that egg and mayo is looking fantastic. So you can see my green peas here. It's about mere size. I don't really do size and portions at your desire and your requirement, but I'm just adding a small little tiny bowl of green peas, to be honest. I haven't weighed it, so don't say how many kilograms of green peas. I don't operate like that. I just throw some in, and I know so I will love it. Good people. So I've added the green peas there, and now I am giving the mixture another little mix. Mix that green peas in nicely. Good. Good. So mixing that around. Right. In there, and also some Jamaican pickle pepper sauce from the supermarket, which is what that red pepper was. Okay, good. And for final little touch, people, that many people probably don't know or probably don't put into their egg and mayo salad, but here goes my little magic, which is a little bit of peanuts for crunch. Egg and mayo is fully protein burst. You're gonna get it. Good for replacing energy after comeback. Just adding some more peanut there, and then now I do my nicely, as you can see me doing. Just mix it up again. Nice. That is going to be delicious, people. Try it and let me know what you think. So here you go. My daughter don't want to taste it. I think it deserves a taste test. I am eating it all by myself. I had a little taste test, people. One good thing lead to the next, another. I had to have another little taste test. Wow, it's amazing. My daughter come again to have a little look. And here's a close-up view of our egg and mayo salad. Nice thumbs up there from my daughter. And yeah, I love this. It's nice. There's the final end product. I hope you enjoy watching and making this egg and mayo salad with me. Please do try it. It serves good as an accompaniment to many dishes. Alright, see you in the next video. Please remember to do all the YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe.
Yes, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. Girl, I see you over there hesitating, deliberating. You keep me waiting on a sign, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my feet up off the floor, move my hips closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. I'll be the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on the dance floor and baby show me all your moves, all your grooves. Shorty, I got something to prove to you. So come on, take a little chance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance, dance a little dance. Come on, dance a little dance. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm more. I'm the one you're looking for, shorty.